Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can buy from Alibaba for personal use. Now as you know, on Alibaba a lot of people, like a lot of big companies, they go to Alibaba because of cheap prices, and they also buy like large quantities, especially if they are like doing Amazon FBA, or they are getting these items for like Shopify, their Shopify stores. Now what if you want to buy like products for yourself, like for personal use? You can do that. Okay, it's actually cheaper to buy products from Alibaba compared to AliExpress. As you know guys, AliExpress owns Alibaba, like they are the same company. The only difference between AliExpress is on AliExpress they focus more on like individuals, okay, personal use, compared to Alibaba where they focus more on selling these products to big companies, that they are like companies that are going to resell these items in your own country. Okay, so as you can see here guys, on Alibaba you can find millions of products and millions of suppliers, because most companies that like big manufacturers they focus more on Alibaba. Like they have their items, like they list their items on Alibaba because Alibaba has a lot of users. Okay, that has like 14 million users each month. Okay, that's exactly why like Alibaba is very popular. You can find literally any product you can think of. Okay, any product you can find it on Alibaba. Now what you guys need to do to buy for personal use, which the tips I'm about to show you here, and yeah, some tricks. Okay, so first you want to go to Alibaba and you want to create an account if you haven't done that already, just like you create your account on AliExpress or Amazon. It's very simple. Okay, here as you can see in the search result, you just need to search exactly for the product you want to buy. So for example, I would like to buy video cameras. Now here as you can see, you will show you guys all the items. Now first you want to click here, it says products here first. Okay, so after guys you select products, then what you guys need to do first here is to scroll down. Okay, because you want to buy for personal use, so you don't want Alibaba to show you guys products like with high quantities. Like the minimum order amount is going to be like 100. You don't want to buy 100 products, otherwise you are going to buy them for a company, okay, for like a business. Now for personal use, I would select here the minimum order amount. I would go with one. Okay, you want to buy a single product, for example, click on OK. Okay, you can also here make some changes. For example, if you want Alibaba to if you want to check this trade insurance, protect your orders on Alibaba.com. Now if you check this trade insurance, okay, if you check this if you toggle this on, like Alibaba will show you products that are available with trade insurance. Like this trade insurance option is going to help you get your refund if something goes wrong. Okay, if you receive an item and it's damaged, if this option is available in with the products, they will refund you guys your money, your full refund. As you can select products with guaranteed on time delivery by scheduled date and money back for order issues. That's exactly the advantage of using Alibaba Guaranteed. Now you just need to find the product now you want to purchase. For example, I would like to purchase this camera. Click on it. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you can see here this button that says start order. Okay, so you can also add this item to cart if you want, or you can click on start order. By the way, this item is now available for shipping. Now it can get delivered to you the time you purchase this item. With the time, like the moment you purchase this item, this product is going to be delivered to you, and the handling time from my experience is going to be from 1 day to 3 days. Okay, there are some suppliers where it takes them 5 days. Okay, I don't know exactly why, probably like they have a lot of orders to ship. Okay, so here you want to click on start order. If it doesn't say here start order, then you want to find a product that says this button has to say start order, so that you can add your address and you can like buy this product right now. Okay, you want to click on start order, and here you want to enter here the quantity you want. I would like to buy one. Click on continue to order. Okay, and here you want to add here your address. Okay, you want to add here your shipping address. You want to, if you have already one and you want to change it to some other to another address, click on change, and you want to add here or click on add an address, and you want to add your address where this product is going to be shipped to. Okay, here you want to enter the payment method here, which is going to be yeah, for example, you can pay using PayPal, you can pay using Google Pay, like Apple Pay. You can pay using Apple Pay. By the way, you can do the exact same steps on your like phone. Okay, if you use Alibaba app inside your phone. Now after you choose the product, click on process to pay, and he will ask you guys for your credit card information, the card number, and then the name and stuff. Now if you want to pay using PayPal, you can do that. Just select here PayPal and then click on PayPal, and you will be able to pay using PayPal. By the way, the shipping price is going to be a little bit higher if your country is in Africa or like undeveloped countries. It's going to be the shipping is going to be very high compared to if you live in United States. The shipping price is going to be much cheaper compared to Europe. Like for example, Spain, the price of the shipping is going to be a little bit higher. As you can see, this product cost is going to be $42, and the shipping price here is going to be $12. So it's a little bit higher for a product with like only $42. Okay, so the shipping price is going to be a little bit higher. You can also negotiate the price with the supplier. You can just contact him here. If you click on this icon here, this contact icon, if you click on this button, you will be able to contact the supplier directly and like explain to them that the shipping price is very high, and then they can reduce the price for you. If you go down, you can also see the reviews of people that have purchased the item before you. Okay, you can and then you can decide if you want to purchase this item or not. Okay, now after you purchase the item, you will receive an email to your email you use to create your Alibaba account with the tracking number. Of course, this is going to take a little bit of time, like from 1 day, like I said, to 3 days. That you will receive then your tracking number. You can also receive your tracking number if you click here on your account, click on orders. Here you will find all your orders that you have like purchased. As you can see, confirming, unpaid, preparing to ship. Here if you click on preparing to ship, you will find here products that you have purchased. Okay, and here delivering, after the tracking number is available, it will go to delivering section. Refunds after sales completed in review closed. Now this is the last thing after you receive the item. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can buy from Alibaba for personal. It's very safe. Okay, it's very safe to buy from Alibaba. There is nothing, just make sure the address is correct. There is nothing to be scared about. Okay, if you have any questions, please drop them below. I reply to every single comment. If you have any questions, like I said, just go to the comments below and tell me exactly your questions. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Drop a like and see you guys in the next video.